gonna pass some. Oh, I put more water. Gonna let it boil, as you can see. I almost forget about my sweet pepper. So we have all this, and after once this boil, I taste it. I'm gonna put the rest of the cooked thing. Gonna let it cook, baby, let it cook. You see that soup? I forgot the cabbage. Cabbage is a big part of our soup. I forgot. Too many things. Too many vegetables. Haitian loves cabbage. We put cabbage in legume, in soup, in everything, in bouillon. I think the Caribbean loves cabbage, even Jamaicans. So we're gonna put and voila. We're gonna put it inside. Oh my god. So we're gonna put some more. It tastes like there's not enough salt, but we're gonna put some flavor, complete season. We're gonna put some Maggi. I'm going to put 2 of those little Maggi. Don't forget I used one already to marinate, to season the meat. When I said marinated, that's when season it.